Okay, guys, welcome back for the very last time. Week 8, wrap up week, which is awesome for you guys because you guys have an easy assignment this week. Obviously, you guys can see it's scheduled to go out um, in about a half an hour. So I'll kind of just show you it real quick. The question this week is more of a wrap up one, just kind of reflection stuff for me and also reflection stuff for you. So there's two parts this week for the question. The first part is what unit was your favorite and what unit was your least favorite and why, obviously, because that's always what we focus on, the why. And that's more for me, so I know what unit to kind of keep the same. And obviously, if some unit gets picked every single time by every single student, that lets me know that I need to drastically change it to make sure that the next crop of sophomores obviously have a better time with that unit than you guys did. And the second one is for you. All right, how have you grown as a student this school year? Okay, you're over that tipping point now. Okay, you're officially halfway done with your high school careers after this week. And so, what things did you kind of learn this year that you can kind of drastically change? Because basically, when you start off as sophomores, your first day, you're still kind of a little bit of you have freshman tendencies, as I would say. You're still pretty young and dumb for the most part, just like everybody was, myself included. So I'm still pretty dumb, but now I'm just older. But then you guys, as you guys go on, I can see the change. I saw the change. All right. I lived the change with you guys. So, my sophomore class this year, depending on the day, either my favorite class of the day or either my least favorite class of the day. It depends if Michelson's throwing snowballs in my room or not. All right. So, as I was kind of typing this up, I was kind of reliving some of the good times and the bad times with my sophomore class, but it was fun. So, hopefully, you guys do the same. It's always fun to look back at the end of the school year. So that's your assignment this week. No word count. It's due Wednesday this week. So pretty simple stuff. Other announcements. Last Thursday was the last day to turn in assignments. Okay. So if you did not contact me or email me to make some type of special arrangement because of a special circumstance or something like that, then your clock hit zero last Thursday. So just kind of keep that in mind. Some people are still turning stuff in. No need to do that. The missing's already flipped to zeros. In case you obviously talk to me, then obviously we know our own special arrangement. But that's all I got. I'm trying to think one last time of anything that's of crazy importance. Remember I don't have any books out for you guys, but if you have books out, make sure you're starting to return those this week and just put your name on it. And then obviously just put like a piece of tape over, like they want them in bags, so make sure you're bagging them with plastic bags, kind of like freezer bags, and then put some tape over it, and then put, like, if you have a book or something from a different class, like if you came in from like Coburn's U.S. history class and you have a history book from him, make sure to put where you got the book from. So you'll say your name is on your bag, and then on the book you'll have like another piece of tape or something, or a label saying like you got it from Mr. Coburn, so he knows that he gets all his books back, so you guys don't get fined and have to pay for books that you didn't lose. All right. If you have any questions, obviously the office will be able to help you out with some of the return stuff more than I will. I didn't give you guys anything, so I'm kind of out of the loop on how to collect stuff because I didn't give anything out. All right, and I kind of do it for that reason. So that's it, guys. Wrap up week. Hopefully, you're doing some type of reflection, thinking back on what you learned, how you grew as a student, but also thinking back on just like the funny stories or just the different moments as a sophomore. All right, guys. That's all I got. If I don't see you or I don't hear from you the rest of the week, have a great summer. It looks like things are kind of flipping back to more normal-ish than they were. So hopefully you guys can actually enjoy a summer break and kind of decompress and get ready to roll, because next year you guys are sophomores. Or sophomores. You guys are juniors. Nice job, Lorden. Way to botch it on the last 30 seconds of the video. Nothing new. All right, guys. Have a good one.